Okay, we're inside our car now. We're checking the car for our ferry ride from Dapitan to Dumaguete. Medyo rough seas kanina, so I'm checking yung sasakyan. So let's check yung sa labas, no? I think less than an hour will be getting set up, no? You have mga buses na naka kable, they're cabled kasi kanina very rough. So to make yung to ensure may harness sila, yan, yung mga kotse naman is just yung stopper lang kasi naka brake light din naman, naka brake pads pala rather. This is yung medyo hindi na masyado magulo, no? These are yung mga private cars aside. Then you have buses, ito mga cargo trucks crossing from Mindanao to the Visayas. Kanina nakakahilo, but now very clear. Tingnan natin, silipin natin dito. Ayan, this is the sea separating Mindanao and the Visayas Islands. Ikot tayo. Let's check. Naka-harness yung mga big vehicles, while yung mga cars may mga stoppers lang. Kanina is very rough, no? Siguro center between yung island ng Mindanao. Anong island kaya to? This could be Siquijor, no? Yan, this is the area. Dyan na. I think we're approaching yung magdaan dito. They're sleeping. Pasok tayo dito para makita nyo yung side. These are yung mga gamit, no, for those traveling. Ayun, clear. Ano pa yung island niya, no? Hindi na rough. Kanina grabe, ang hirap paglakad. So right now, akyat tayo. This one. Ooh. Goodbye Mindanao. We're going to Negros. Yung control side. This side is the economy, open air. You add 50 pesos, premium economy, aircon. Tingnan natin, makapasok tayo sa facility sa loob. Yung open. Ayan, this is premium economy. CR, malinis naman. Then let's enter sa loob. Stable siya. This is premium economy. They have canteen here. Then the business class here. So this is business class.